Next function is the greatest integer function. The greatest integers, the symbol going to be like this: f of x equals so it's a bracket but shaded a little bit. In other words, double lines on this. What it does, for instance, it takes, if this function is a rational number, I'm sorry, this number is a rational number x, let's say 2.1, the function will return the greatest integer portion of this function. So, example, f of 2.1 equals 2. F of 0.9 equals 0, and so on. Make sense? Yay, nay? Good. What is f of negative 1.7? What is the greatest integer here? I'm sorry? Negative 1. Is that the greatest integer that of x? Is negative 1 less than or greater than negative 1.7? Greater than. So negative 1 cannot be the greatest integer contained within negative 1.7. So what is the greatest integer? Remember, you need to look at number line and see what comes to the left. It will be negative 2. And this is a common mistake. In the following diagram or graph, we'll explain it. Okay? So if we have our xy coordinate, like so, let's start with a number between 0 and 1. Okay? The number between 0 and 1 will be 0, including 0, but it will be, the endpoint will be open. Okay? Because 0.99999 is not 1. The greatest integer part of 0.999 is still 0. Between 1 and 2, the number becomes 1. Again, at 2, at 1.99, it's still 1. At 2 or higher, it becomes 2, and so on. So this is how the greatest integer looks like. Now, what happened on the left? Between negative 1 and 0, let's say negative 0.90 or 0.9, the greatest integer is going to be negative 1. Okay? Because 0 is greater than negative 9, or negative 99, or negative 999. Between negative 2 and negative 1, the greatest integer will be negative 2, and so on. So this is the function. This function used when you sell for commissions, when you sell like insurance sale. That's one time I saw it. If an insurance agent sells, let's say, any number between 4 and 5 policies, he get paid for 4 policies, right? On the average. I'm not sure how it works with policies. No, it works with the following. If an insurance agent sell life insurance between, let's say, 100,000 and 200,000, he gets paid the commission, the percent commission for $1,000. If he goes or she goes over 200,000, between 200 and 3,000, he or she get commission for $200,000, and so on. And that's an example of greatest integers. Of course, we multiply it by 100,000 every time. So I saw it one time like that. I'm sure there are other applications for this function.